Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee. Please like, subscribe, and share. All right, so today me and my buddy Jack here with our bikes finally got out of the winter. A lot of you guys know about my bike. It's basically just a stage 1 kit, 18-pound valve springs, a Amazon carburetor, and actually an Amazon header too. So about 43 mile an hour. That's about as fast as this thing will go right now. I think I might just leave it this way. But Jack came over today, and he's going to tell us about his bike. Mainly because I've been teasing him a little bit that he can't keep up with my 212.
Yeah, we're going to see about that.
With this 224. So,
yeah, Predator 224, basically it's a stage 2. It's a Nibby 24 millimeter carburetor. It's got a EC Carbs forged rod and a flat top piston and a Bonsai 265 cam.
Nice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get out on the street here, get our helmets on, and do a little drag race to see who can outrun who. You get in the street? Stop sign. Blowing away. Oh yeah. Well, you know, we can just edit that shit out. Okay, so I got outran, but my defense, I got it a little too lean. It's cutting out a little bit, so I'm going to retune it here in a little bit, and we're going to do it again probably later. But Jack's mini bike, that thing ran like a champ. He got some great speed out of it. The 224 was a champion today. So we're probably going to do some more riding since we're out here. It's a little warm out. Play around.
yeah. So 48, that's what it runs.
All right.
48, 4.7, 0 to 30.
These tires are so sketchy. Somebody's going down. Oh, putting on the... Then go up more?
Yeah, mine didn't run half bad. Hit about 5,500 RPM. It said 48 miles an hour. I didn't get a good 0 to 30 time on it, but we'll try it again. It's not bad. It might. I gotta check the plug for see what's lean or whatever, but ran good.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.